To remove any of these icons from the menu bar, you have to just press the Command key while moving your mouse towards these icons and drag it out till you see this cross. Okay, we can remove all of these icons like that. Just by pressing this key and dragging it out. Now I will show you how to restore these icons if you want, just by entering System Preferences, then open Dock and Menu. From here you can control the dock, and here you can control the menu bar. This, if you tick here, it will hide and show the menu bar. If you want to show the Wi-Fi icon in menu bar, just by pressing here. Okay, if you want to show the Bluetooth, the same in AirDrop. Don't disrupt. Keyboard brightness, screen mirror, display, sound, now playing, accessibility, shortcuts, battery icon, fast user switch, clock and control of each options, spotlight, and Siri. Thank you.